Yo, what's up everybody? It's Your Name with Global Exploration, and we're on a mission to find the most incredible under-the-radar places on this planet. Today we're taking you straight into the heart of Pakistan to a place called Khanpur. You might not have heard of it, but trust me, this hidden gem is about to blow your mind. Get ready for epic landscapes, stunning nature, and adventures you won't find anywhere else. Let's go. Alright, first up, we got to talk about Khanpur Dam. This place is iconic. I'm talking massive walls holding back a sprawling reservoir, surrounded by these rolling green hills that just go on forever. It's like stepping into a postcard, seriously, and the vibe here, totally chill. Locals and tourists alike come to escape the city, soak up some sun and just breathe in the fresh air. You can tell this place is all about embracing the outdoors. We saw families having picnics by the water, kids splashing around, groups of friends setting off on boats. Speaking of boats, you've got to rent one. It's the best way to really experience the vastness of this place. Just imagine the sun on your face, the wind in your hair, and nothing but crystal clear water stretching out before you. And don't even get me started on the swimming. The water's cool and refreshing, especially after a long day of exploring. Whether you're taking a dip, paddling around on a floaty, or just chilling on the shore, it's the perfect way to unwind and soak up the beauty of Khanpur. But the real magic happens as the sun starts to set. Khanpur Dam is more than just a dam, you know? It's a place where memories are made. Alright guys, if you're anything like me, you can't resist the call of the mountains. And Khanpur? This place is an absolute playground for hikers, trekkers and nature enthusiasts. We're talking epic views, challenging trails, and a sense of accomplishment that comes with conquering each peak. To the south, you've got the majestic Margalla Hills, a sprawling range that seems to stretch on forever. These hills are like a magnet, drawing you in with their rugged beauty and promise of adventure. We're talking trails that wind through dense forests, rocky outcrops that test your limits, and panoramic vistas that will literally take your breath away. And if you think that's impressive, wait till you see what the north has in store. The Hazara Hills rise up like jagged teeth, daring you to explore their hidden valleys and ancient paths. This is where the real adventure begins, my friends. We're talking steep climbs, narrow ridges, and the constant feeling that you're pushing your limits. But let me tell you, the reward is worth every drop of sweat. Reaching the summit, catching your breath as you take in the 360-degree views, it's pure exhilaration. But it's not just about the adrenaline rush. Hiking in Khanpur is a chance to disconnect from the noise of everyday life and reconnect with the natural world. Trust me, it's an adventure you won't soon forget. Okay, people, get ready to have your minds blown, because Khanpur isn't just about stunning landscapes and adrenaline-pumping adventures. It's also a haven for wildlife, a place where you can witness the raw beauty of nature, up close and personal. We're talking about a rich tapestry of creatures, each playing a vital role in this delicate ecosystem. From the playful antics of monkeys swinging through the trees to the vibrant plumage of exotic birds soaring through the sky, Khanpur is a wildlife enthusiast's dream come true. As you explore the dense forests and hidden trails, keep your eyes peeled for the elusive creatures that call this place home. You might spot a family of deer grazing peacefully in a meadow, their ears twitching at the slightest sound. Or maybe you'll catch a glimpse of a wild boar disappearing into the undergrowth, its powerful snout rooting for food. But the real stars of the show are the birds. Khanpur is a birdwatcher's paradise, with a dazzling array of species flitting through the trees and soaring overhead. Trust me, it's a journey that will stay with you long after you leave. Yo, what's up, adventure seekers? You know I'm all about chasing those epic moments, those experiences that make you feel truly alive. And in Khanpur, those moments often involve chasing waterfalls. Not just any waterfalls, mind you, but hidden gems tucked away in the lush greenery of the Khanpur Valley. Imagine this. You're hiking through a dense forest, the air thick with the scent of pine needles and damp earth. The sunlight filters through the canopy above, creating a mosaic of light and shadow on the forest floor. And then you hear it, the distant roar of rushing water like a siren song, calling you deeper into the wilderness. As you push through the undergrowth, the sound grows louder until finally you turn a corner and there it is, a waterfall cascading down a rocky cliff face, its waters crashing into a crystal clear pool below. These waterfalls aren't just beautiful to look at, they're like oases of peace and tranquility in the heart of nature. Find a quiet spot by the water's edge, close your eyes and just listen to the symphony of sound. The roar of the falls, the gentle lapping of the water against the rocks, the chirping of birds overhead. It's the perfect place to escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life and reconnect with the rhythm of nature. The waterfalls of Khanpur are waiting to be discovered. All right, folks, let's talk about greenery. I'm talking lush, vibrant, almost unreal shades of green that seem to engulf you entirely. That's Khanpur for you, a place where nature's paintbrushes run wild, creating a landscape that's both breathtaking and revitalizing. Imagine this. You're driving through the countryside, the windows roll down, the air thick with the scent of pine and damp earth. As you leave the city behind, the landscape transforms, the buildings giving way to rolling hills blanketed in a tapestry of green. And then you enter the forests. Towering pines stand like sentinels, their branches forming a dense canopy overhead, filtering the sunlight into dappled patterns on the forest floor. Ancient oaks, their gnarled trunks a testament to the passage of time, spread their branches wide, creating a sense of timeless grandeur. And beneath it all, a carpet of ferns, mosses and wildflowers thrives in the cool, damp shade. It's like stepping into another world, a world where the air is cleaner, the colors are brighter, and time seems to move a little slower. As you walk beneath the trees, the sunlight filtering through the leaves, you can't help but feel a sense of peace wash over you. It's the kind of peace that comes from being surrounded by nature's embrace, from feeling connected to something bigger than yourself. So, if you're looking for a place to escape the concrete jungle, a place to reconnect with nature, a place to lose yourself in the embrace of green, then Khanpur is calling your name. Okay, let's talk about the heart and soul of any place, the people. And in Khanpur, you'll find that the people are as warm and welcoming as the landscape itself. It's that genuine hospitality, that open-heartedness that really makes this place special. Life in Khanpur moves at a different pace, a pace that's more in tune with the rhythms of nature. It's a place where traditions run deep, where families gather, and where strangers are greeted with a smile. You can feel it in the air, this sense of community, this connection to something bigger than yourself. As you wander through the local markets, be prepared to be greeted with friendly faces and curious glances. The markets are a hive of activity, a sensory overload of colors, smells and sounds. From fresh produce piled high to intricate handicrafts, you'll find a treasure trove of local goods and a glimpse into the daily lives of the people who call Khanpur home. Trust me, it's the people that will make your journey to Khanpur truly unforgettable. All right, adventure junkies, listen up. If you thought Khanpur was just about pretty views and peaceful vibes, think again. This place is an adrenaline playground, a haven for thrill seekers and outdoor enthusiasts. We're talking next-level adventures that'll push your limits and leave you craving more. Let's start with the obvious. Khanpur Dam. This place is a water sports paradise. We're talking jet skiing across the glistening surface, feeling the wind whip through your hair as you carve through the water. Wakeboarding, kneeboarding, tubing, you name it, they've got it. It's the perfect way to cool off, let loose, and embrace the exhilaration of speed. But the real adventure lies beyond the dam, in the rugged embrace of the surrounding mountains. Rock climbing, anyone? Khanpur boasts some seriously challenging climbs, with sheer rock faces daring you to test your skills. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a first-timer, there's a climb here to get your adrenaline pumping. And for those who prefer their adventures on two wheels, Khanpur delivers. Mountain biking trails wind through the hills, offering a mix of challenging climbs, exhilarating descents, and breathtaking scenery. The best part? Khanpur caters to every level of adventurer. So, pack your gear, grab your sense of adventure, and get ready to experience Khanpur like never before. Alright guys, I know what you're thinking. This place sounds incredible, but it's probably a pain to get to, right? Wrong. One of the coolest things about Khanpur is how accessible it is. We're talking a short hop, skip and a jump from Islamabad, making it the perfect getaway for a day trip, a weekend adventure, or even longer if you catch the travel bug. Seriously, imagine this. You're in Islamabad, maybe exploring the city, soaking up the culture, and then, boom! You decide to escape the urban jungle for a taste of the wild side. Within an hour, you could be cruising down the road, the cityscape fading behind you as you're greeted by the lush green embrace of Khanpur. It's that easy. So what are you waiting for? Don't let Khanpur stay a hidden gem on your travel bucket list. So there you have it, folks. Khanpur, Pakistan, a hidden gem just waiting to be discovered. From the serene beauty of Khanpur Dam to the adrenaline-pumping adventures in the surrounding mountains, this place has something for everyone. We've explored the lush landscapes, encountered incredible wildlife, and experienced the warm hospitality of the local people. We've chased waterfalls, conquered peaks, and created memories that will last a lifetime. Now it's your turn. If this video has ignited your sense of adventure, hit that like button, share it with your travel buddies, and subscribe to our channel for more incredible destinations. Until next time, keep exploring.